Hey there everyone, welcome back again to the Mac Essential. In this video, I'm going to talk about a problem you might be facing, which is I am not able to upload anything in my OneDrive which is greater than 250 MB. Which you may not really care if you upload a file in a folder that are smaller than 250 MB. However, if you upload the larger size, then there is a problem. Because now if I expand it, for example, here once the upload reached at 250 megabyte, the progress will stop. Okay, so here now you can see I have opened Safari, and let me try to upload a file of size greater than 250, and let's see if the problem still continue. And here you can see the file size is around 4.89 gigabyte. So since I already have tried it, I did not face the problem here with Safari. So sometime, if you are facing this kind of challenge with Google Chrome, then I would suggest you to try with another browser. And now let's see if it crossed 250 mark or not, and seems like it crossed. And now we can see it is actually increasing at a step of 250 megabyte. So in this way guys, we can fix this problem. What do you think about it? So if you're also able to resolve it this way, then do let us know in comment down below. Also, what do you think about this? Please try this method to resolve this problem. And there we go guys, we have successfully uploaded 4.5 gigabyte of data without any 250 gigabyte constraint. If you have got any comment or feedback regarding this issue, or you know what is the best solution, then please help us out and do let us know in comment down below. Your help will be really appreciated. And I will see you soon in one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.